Welcome back, guys. We are here with a new video. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe.
Alright, I'm trying to get out. I haven't even touched the car. I haven't even touched the car. Get out. Right.
Greatest Christmas hits of all time, on gold.
Good boy. Straight on. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
And I have the problem for the seat.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
You request another one
Why?
because the seats have the seat problem.
Well, that's fine. If you if you take the passenger seat and push it as far forward as you can,
No, but
then we can squeeze.
It's a little bit smaller, maybe small space.
No, it won't be a problem.
No, it's okay. It's a problem, but you request. I'm not judging you, but you request another one. It's coming quickly.
You do realise that refusing a guide dog under any circumstances.
No. I'm not refusing. I'm not really. It's a broken.
Seats are broken.
Yes, the back side.
Right.
Yeah, that's why it's not open properly, and that's why I.
Then why are you taking?
I'm not refusing.
Why are you taking anyone then?
No,
If the seats are broken, why are you taking anyone?
I will fix it. You come other side.
All right.
Okay, you are bigger.
Careful.
Yeah, I think I'm in denied service.
That's because of the dog.
Yeah. So I'm just waiting to see what happens.
Let me have a word.
Apparently the seat's broken. Don't worry, I've got it.
It's possible he can travel.
No, the back is not moving well. It's not moving well.
So you're not going to take it, right?
Yes.
So
but
you're-
I'm not charging the.
Just
I'm not charging you.
just to clarify, you're not going to take me.
No, it's okay. But I'm not charging you. But you request another one.
But you're okay. So you're not taking me.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Sorry, but I'm not charging.
Good. You want me to call you a taxi?
I know it's okay. I'm just.
Alright, mate.
You okay?
Aye, no bother.
Can't stop on here.
My car goes out the time, so I got a 45
Yeah, I
minutes.
know, but it's not a safe place to stop. You're parked in live lane.
What do you mean it's not a safe place to stop?
Well, it's a live lane. It's still part of the motorway network, this.
Yeah.
You were parked down there in lane 1, wouldn't you?
Well, no, there's nobody using it, is it?
Pardon?
There's nobody using this
Yeah,
road.
this is for emergency access.
Yeah.
Police, Boulder, ourselves, ambulance, fire brigade. This is emergency access road for services.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so you should be here.
Well, do you want to give me a ticket then, you?
Sorry?
Do you want to give me a ticket?
I can't give you a ticket, but
Right.
I can report you.
Right.
If you
All
want me
right.
to report you, that's fine, I'll report
Well,
you.
I can't move. Like 9 hours on the clock, I got a 45
Sorry?
minutes. I can't move for another about 40 minutes.
That's fine, I'll just pass it on to the police.